Welcome back everyone to Meera Codes. Now that we know how to create a Java class, let's explore what goes inside a class. We will start with the fields and take a brief look at methods. Let's get started. This is a chair class that we have created in a previous video. Here we have fields called a color, material, number of legs and the height. What are these fields? So these are called as an variables. Field is simply a variable that is declared inside a class. These are used to store the characteristic or a properties of a class. We have a property called as a color. It stores the chair's color. Material. It stores the what the chair is made up of. And number of legs. It stores the how many legs the chair has. Height. It stores the height of the chair. So these describe the chair. That is why they are called a properties or a attributes. Why do we need a fields? Imagine if our class only had a name chair but no fields. So can we tell whether the chair is a black or a white, or can we tell whether it's a made up of a wood or a plastic? No, right? That is why we need a fields. Field stores the information about an object. Every field has a data type. Like color has a data type string, material has a data type string, number of legs it has a data type int, height data type is double. We will learn all the data types in detail in the next video. So as of now, we will focus on the fields and the methods. Okay. So as a class doesn't only contain the fields, it also contains the methods. What are the methods then? If the fields describe what an object has, the methods describe what an object does. Methods represents the information or a behavior. Methods represents the actions or a behavior of an object. For example, the chair has a characteristics that we have represented over here. Also, also the chair can perform the actions. What actions? Like fold, rotate, and adjust. So that we are representing using methods. Okay. So as of now, don't worry about the syntax. Just remember that these are the fields. We will learn how to write the methods in detail in upcoming video. So let's see the difference between the fields and the methods. Fields, it describes the characteristic of object. Method, it describes the action. Fields, it stores the data. Methods, it performs the operations. And fields describes what an object has. The method describes what an object does. An easy way to remember is like fields tells us what an object has. Method tells us what an object does. I hope you understood what are the fields, what are the methods, the difference between the fields and methods. So that's it for this video. So today we learned like what are the fields, how they describe the characteristic of a class, how the methods represents the action or a behavior of the class. In next video, we will understand the Java data types in detail. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.